Yo, what's up guys, this is Alias, and in this video I will show you how to make this really cool looking cinematic title reveal effect in After Effects. And it's really simple, so yeah, let's just go. So first of all, I just created a little background, just some black and white footage. And the first thing that we're going to do is add in text, of course. I'll just type in cinematic for this example and then just scale it up and go to the Align tab on the right and just center it. And for this example I used this Times New Roman font and just gave it some nice letter spacing, so just put up a high value in here and this will look really cool. Okay, so let's animate this thing. So first let's add a solid, just like this, and press P for position and just drag it down just right below this text. And what this will do, we will just animate the text to kind of reveal from that black layer. So press position and go to like 1 second and place a keyframe, and then just go to the beginning and just bring it down. And now we can select the layer in this Track Matte tab and just select our solid and make sure to press the invert tab. So now we got this cool effect. And this is a bit too slow, so let's go to position and open the graph editor. And first press right click on position to separate the dimensions. And then select the right position, click on it and press Easy Ease down here. And now we can just bring this curve down a bit so it will go up faster like this. And this looks really cool. This is enough for the fade in. So then just go forward like a few seconds, maybe to second 3 for example. And go to box blur, to effects and select the fast box blur effect. And now we can just animate some fade out. So put in a keyframe at 0 in here and then just go forward again to like 4 seconds. And yeah, just place in a really high value, like 100 basically. And then also let's animate the opacity. So right before the blur starts, go to opacity by pressing T and put in a keyframe at 100, and then again just go forward and put in 0 so it will vanish. And as we can see, the lower part is chopped up. It doesn't reveal because of this thing here. So let's actually just bring this back a bit so it will just disappear right after the fade in is done. So we will not deal with this cutoff at the end. So yeah, this is it for the text animation. It's really simple, but let's give it some nice touch. So duplicate this text layer and search in for mirror in the effects tab and apply it on the lower layer. And now we can put in 90 and just bring down the reflection center so it will look like this. And then turn down the opacity to like 10%. Just like this. And let's also go to effects, to the fast box blur, and go to the keyframe where it starts to blur. And now let's change this from 0 to like 5, so we get like a constant blur effect. And we have to change one more thing, and that is the transparency. So actually we accidentally made a keyframe in here, but let's also go to the keyframe where the opacity starts to fade away and change this from 100 to 10 again. And yeah, now we have this cool effect. and also change the matte to no matte. So we get this, it will just be there from the beginning. And I think this looks really cool. Maybe actually, change the opacity a bit higher, like 15. And now we got this thing. And as we've seen here, we also got this really nice lens flare. So let's add this real quick. So create a new solid and just search for lens flare and add it and put it on top of everything, and change the lens type to the last one, to this one, and just move the main center a little bit outside on the left side and on the top, and also add a tritone effect so it will get a uniform color. And we will just use a nice orange just like this. And let's also change the mode to add, so we will it will be on top of everything. And now we can just open this up and go to the lens flare effect and keyframe the opacity so it will get a bit variation. So put it to 0 at the beginning, then go forward a bit, put in like 120, then forward a bit again. So it will just change a bit. And this is a lot, maybe not that much. This and then let's make it disappear with the text at the end, just like this. And now we have this cool shining effect. But let's also make it a bit smoother, because as we can see, it's like a bit fast and looks unrealistic. So select the flare brightness and go to the graph editor and press on it again, and then just click easy ease again, and just make it a bit smoother, just like this. And now we got this more natural looking effect. Okay, at the end it's a bit fast maybe, so let's make it perfect. And we also want it to move from the upside to the downside. So go to the beginning and place the keyframe at the flare center, and then just go to the end and just bring it right down until it's in the on the down left side. And now we got this really cool effect. And that's it basically.